Hello to you, my beautiful people. Good day to you all. We wish you all a happy holiday when it comes and a blessed 2025. Big up on yourself, my people. God bless you all. I am in Negril. Watch this and enjoy. God bless you. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, so that is it. You see? Yeah, man, that is it. That's the life in Jamaica. If you know if you deal with people and show people respect and manners, and once you have respect and manners, you will get through life. You will go through life. Yeah, I tell you the truth, you will go through life. You see? Yeah, man, so all we take, just respect and manners, right? And you see? Wow, that one is full. You know what I mean, dance? Step the man and shake the foot them man, shake the foot them man. Why my people? Probably I reach Hanover already, but this is good. Yeah, this is a good vlog. I mean, appreciate it. You see me? Yeah man, be a boat up on the water man, the people are enjoy themselves. You see it? Yeah man. It's all about enjoyment. You see it? And we love that, you see it? People them come out, come take the morning sun and gone. Most of them are going back and now they have something to eat and no, probably they come out again and come take a next see. You see it? Then the sun cool on and come for the evening thing. You see it? Yeah man, so this is it to people. Most of them just come out and get them sun bath and then go up them island and get them sun bath and them done. Yeah, them gone in, now gone. Have something to eat and wanna freshen up and they come out again and I just see them out here again. Come enjoy the cool breeze and the nice view. You see it? Which is so lovely and nice. You understand me? Yeah. Very comfortable and relaxing. You see? It's all relaxing in Jamaica. Just come along and come make yourself comfortable, man. You see it? Yeah. It's all in Jamaica. Just come along. It is good. No problem. Jamaica, no problem. Remember, Jamaica, no problem. This is it. You copy? Cha-cha. Yeah man, that is Farmer's Joe. You see? Yeah man. Film settings that. You see? You have the tubing. Yeah. Great tubing. You see? You got the comfortable. Get a boat jar you out into the ocean. Not danger. Really comfortable ride. You see? Yeah man. You have your life jacket and so forth. So you don't have to really worry yourself over. And It's a good thing. It's all about life. As I say, life in Jamaica. This is it. You see? Yeah, man. So sit there and move out now, the people. Yeah. Farmer Joe thing. Remember, check out the number. Because every time you come to Negril, just check for Farmer Joe. And enjoy your life. That is it. See it there? You see the people? Watch it. Watch it, my people. Watch it. Watch it. Woo! Woo! Chacha. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love it. Love it. Chacha. Are you building that Farmer Joe? Jesus Christ. That's the tube something there.
I buy them there.
Chacha, no, bro.
Engine here though.
Me know engine, boat engine there, man. Not a boat engine there, man. More than...
US.
Ah.
And boat again.
Not money. Me know them things, man. Not the biggest investment this in the blood.
Yeah, like $1,200 for the tube. When it come here, we clear it. Yeah, but you make back your money.
Yeah, you make back your money. Boss, big up yourself. My respect here, so I've never seen none. Show me my respect. White Sand Beach. I tell the people, yeah man, this is it. Jamaica Negril, White Sand Beach. We have a glass bottom boat. You copy? Yeah. Music boat. You just go up on an entertainment bar and music. You see now food upon it a cook too. You see? Yeah man. So it's all about Jamaica land. We all love. This is it. Is it? This is it. Sun on a set. Yeah man, sun on a set right down on the pine there, see it? Right down and say sun on a set to them people. Trust me. You're there for center set for showing how beautiful it is. Trust me, yeah man. Yeah man, relaxing and lovely day, lovely evening. It was a beautiful day. I know the evening coming down very nice and warm and trust me. And the people them so nice. I enjoy amongst these people, I'm not gonna lie. They are so nice and warm and welcoming. Trust me. We don't know, this is our lovely Jamaica, our beautiful island that we love so much. Oh my God, my people, I'm telling you, it's a blessing to be here as a Jamaican. Trust me, it is a blessing. I plane where I fly a while ago. A plane where I fly, my people. Trust me. You come like you just a charter a plane that just fly around the ocean and carry back, you know? Yeah. Those are the type of thing, you know? Hello, good day. Lovely building, man, look like, you know? Yeah man, boat them park up out at sea. Cha cha. This is Jamaica. A piece of island there, so I want to go up on a piece of island one day if you come. We'll go up on a piece of island there, you see it? I want to go there so take a chuck off the water. Yeah, trust me. Lovely, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm up on the seaside, I'm there on the 7 Mile beach long, you know. Yeah man, all of them resorts, hotel and guest house and so forth. Them is on the 7 Mile beach long. You see my people? Yeah. Right on the 7 Mile beach long them there. Yeah, man, the sun has set. This is it. Lovely. Don't you see, people? Oh my God. You have to look about the next half an hour time. You see it go down somewhere. You see it? Yeah, man. Cha-cha. This is our beautiful island, Jamaica. This is Jamaica, Jamaica. And me says Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah, me no stop. And me say, down my way, me a go on Negril. Me a go on Negril down on the beach, you see. Cool me a cool out and sit down easy. Relax myself and just highway, you see. Meet a lot of people, you call whitey. Whole heap of people from foreign country. All of us, we sit down and reasoning, because you don't know Jamaica, I feel replace, you see. Because we want everybody to come here, you see, come enjoy themselves and spend them money. Say that we want Lord for our country. We want for our country to build up, you see. And I say, Jamaica, Jamaica, Lord have mercy. And I say, Jamaica, Jamaica, hear me now, star. Lord, I say love for every country, we love your island, we love everything, we love every... Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ, nice. Lord of mercy. I say this is a fairy island. Lord, I say this is a fairy island in the Caribbean. This is a fairy island in the Caribbean. Jamaica land a fairy land we will love. Jamaica land a fairy land where we love. We say we love fairy country. We say we love Ferry Island, Lord of God. We say we love Ferry country. Lord, me say we love Ferry Island. Me say we love Ferry Island. Jamaica land, me say we love it to the hand back. We say we love it to the heart. We say we love it to the head top. We say we love it to the foot back. Lord of mercy. Jamaica we come from. And that's a Ferry born land. And I say Jamaica we come from. And I say that's a Ferry born land. And I say listen to my vibes and listen to my song. Listen to how me sing and me a meditation. And me a sing about Jamaica land. Love for my island to the portion. No matter where them do, me say them have to understand. Say this a little island a boom boom one. And all them a do, me say them have to understand. And me say love Ferry Island. And this a Jamaica island. And this a boom boom island. And this a #1 island. Come enjoy yourself and come a Ferry land. Come out of Jamaica, come take in the sun. Look on the beach, how it nice and clean. Look on the sun, it a white sun you see. Look how the place, or the environment. Look on the scene when you can't believe it. Say this a Ferry land, we really love it. And we want everyone to come and nice it up. God, this a Ferry island. We say if you come enjoy it. And this a Ferry Island. And this a Ferry Island, Jamaica land. And this a Ferry Island, Jamaica land. No matter where them say, we want them understand. Say all away, out of many we are one. Lord of God. And I say sing Ferry slogan. We say we welcome each and everyone. Come in our island or we no response. Or we want to know you come here strong. Come enjoy yourself and relaxation. Jamaica Ferry Island. Say, the fisherman catch one of them bird there. Fisherman catch one of them bird in the river. Yesterday, he said the meat is nicer than chicken, and I really true. I say, let me sit there and eat nothing, see them fly up there. So that they sit there and eat nothing more than fish. And that they make the good meat to eat him, say. Good meat. And I really believe him. See bird there? One of them little birds didn't catch yesterday. I tell the man say the meat better than chicken meat. Because bear fish them a bird a feed pan. See him? A fishing line hold him in the river. See me? And the man just take him up and caught him and say, eat him and go eat. Yesterday before me eat the same time I go in the yard. He say, man, look after him bird. You see him? Cooking pot. See there? Yeah man. Yes, my boss. Respect. Hello, my lady. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself, yeah? Big brand. Yeah, Jamaica, big brand. Come on. Sandals. A Jamaica brand this. Lord of God. Look on the station how it looks so nice. Wow. Looking good. Enjoy the life that you know you have to live. It's a sweet, sweet life, come all of us have to live. We have to enjoy our life, sir. Lord of God, we have to enjoy our life, yeah. Each and every one, you better enjoy your life, sir. So this is no ramping thing, sir. Lord, me tell you, if you enjoy your life, yeah. Hear me now, star. May God make sure me born and me grow in the ghetto. Lord, we say we never have nothing that no mutton. And me tell you, say we grow up and we try to have something. We see we life just expand, so we know say everything where we do no nice, so all where we do, we just keep it separate because we tell you, enjoy for your life, yeah. Lord of God, I tell you, enjoy for your life, yeah. Hear me now, enjoy your life, sir. Hear me now, me tell you, enjoy for your life, sir. Lord of God, I mean say sing for me song, cause me have ambition. Boy like me out of many me a one. One thing me know, say me born well strong. And me have a lot of mention in me come me enjoy my life, sir. Lord of God, me come to enjoy my life, yeah. This is it, I me enjoy for my life, yeah. Lord of God. Yeah, yes, my boss. Respect, respect, respect. Okay, how you doing? How you doing? Enjoying your life?
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. That's great.
Love your vibes.
Yeah, I love your vibes too.
Well
Yeah, I saw
done.
you in the water enjoying yourself, you know. Respect.
Well
From there, I go and use myself. You don't know a thing, go. YouTube, you know. YouTube, okay?
Yeah, alright.
Eh?
Alright.
All right. Salute to you. All right.
Lick more.
Yeah, my boss. Respect, sir.
Right on.
All right. This one and name enjoy your life, sir. Me tell you if you enjoy for your life, yeah. Hear me now. Me say everything that you do, you better enjoy your life. Nobody bet nobody try to hold you down in life. Hold up your head high because you know you're nice. Hold up your head because you walk upon the ice. Enjoy your life, yeah. I begging you, please just enjoy your life, sir. Whoa. Sick you are going. Ah, cha. Lord. Listen, yeah there. If I go stand up, I can't come out and walk up on the road. If I go yes, I can't come up on the road. I have to walk go back all the way down so. But it's a whole good for me still. Good for me still. Because I'm not planning to say when I come out and hold a taxi jump back down there. Eh? If you walk through the property. I don't think about it, you know. Say probably I can't go through the property. But I say okay. So I just say stop, you can't go no further, don't it? Oh, you have a beach where they call Naked Beach. Yeah man, a town I come from, you know. I do YouTube, you know. I don't want a Naked Beach for my things still. Because I don't want a naked people for me because YouTube will lock it down. Yeah, alright. Don't want a naked thing for me thing.
People love that little thing, man.
Yeah man, for real man. For real, man, I tell you the truth.
Sometimes they have on live, I just watch them thing
there. Yeah. Alright, I can get me like you go watch them thing and I can tell them my channel name too. Jamaica Land 1965. Jamaica Land 1965.
TikTok or YouTube?
YouTube. On TikTok, a dog get blog. Go down. Boy, are we done now? You know the band? They call it Long Beer.
Any of that this week. I told all of them. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to having a retreat.
Yeah. Big up yourself.
But they do the same thing in a bad man. They do the same thing, brother. When you put on the door, that's some 50 a year, bad man. I'm trying to 70s, bad man. Come on, man. The thing
Still more easier.
The thing was much easier at that time.
So
70s,
easier.
80s.
The thing was much easier, bad man. They are talking about 70s, 80s, and 90s.
Even
in
some
a
part
bad
of the
man.
90s.
Early 2000 in a bad man. You check it out.
They have a whole lot of good times.
Yeah, man.
Have a whole lot of good times.
Tell them Negril and Mobile man, them make money out of and watch and make money out of tourists.
They tell them make money off of tourists. I don't know.
Brother, no money now make off a tourist. I know you have tourists, they come here right now and they tell us them buy almost sitting over the years. They will come here and then buy almost sitting bad man. Just imagine from them time when they just start come here. You get when I say from them time there.
And they still have them.
And them still have them. I feed them, I have them. Bad man. And the same set of people them still out at the day. Them bad man and corrupt bad man. I hope you
Them
see
want you
them,
strive.
you see them all about on the beach, bad man. Years.
Them build a house so tight, you know. And see you are coming over and build a house. Them build a
They don't want
house.
you build it.
Build a house.
They don't want you build
A
that.
John, them why you going to the seed of John. And that's what you
And only
talk.
that, they don't build nothing either. Because they fuck up all of them money there for a longer time. They don't build nothing. They don't build nothing, brother.
If they accomplish more, then I feel alright.
Alright, but you don't accomplish
But
nothing,
they don't
brother.
accomplish nothing.
They
So
make
you
the
have to
money, you know.
surpass them in a for them mind, because they don't do them
True,
basically.
true.
No feel no way, you know. They make the money, you know.
Yeah.
They make the money.
Them race it
Wagga
out.
wagga. Then do it. BSC. But you them waste you know. Them a try looking back and when them see you, you know, and who have a fresher mind and want to do something better than what them do. What? Are the worst thing to them, man.
Entering Westmoreland. So we are now within Hanover right now with people. Is welcome to Hanover. So Westmoreland done right here, so. And Hanover start over there, so. And Westmoreland done right there, so. Hanover done right there, so. And Westmoreland start over here, so. You see it, my people? Yeah, man, so. Hold a second. So I'm right on the border, you know. Westmoreland and Hanover. And that is a 7 mile long beach over there. Yeah, a 7 mile long beach over there. Why? I don't tell a lie. I walk the beach, go all the way down, all the way past Margarita Villa. And go down about 3 more hotels to 4 more hotels below Margarita Villa. And this side and look like about 5 more hotels and look at me and say, no sir. don't also look too dead and empty. So I say, alright, like how don't so empty, now just turn back. So you know, so far I walk go right up to the next end. Up there so. And I come back down now because the car park done there some people. Because a good exercise. Yeah, I like it. Good walking, good exercise to the body. Yeah. Body feels, you know, just want loose up, you know, stretch out and loose up. You see me? Yeah man. So as I say my people, it was all good. I'm enjoying it. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Yeah my people, I hope you all enjoy the video. Yeah. And comment and let me know what you think about this video, my people. Let me know what you think about the video. Because trust me, I try to put out this video to the best. You see? That you people can get good vlogging. First learn and enjoy and see the beauty of my beautiful island Jamaica. You see my people, yeah. So comment and let me know what you think about this video. Remember to share also and like the video. You press the thumbs up button and like the video. And it's all good. You see my people, it's all good. You see, we welcome that at 100% time. You see, yeah, we welcome it. You see, and my people, as I am saying now, if it's the first time that you really come across on my channel, welcome to you also. Yeah, welcome to you. You see, because you're going now. We all appreciate you come across on my channel. You see? And we don't know, you're not subscribed yet. And if you subscribe, thank you. And you're not subscribed yet, you know, so boy. Anything I ready for subscribe, you cannot subscribe. See? There's no rush, no force. Just subscribe in your mind. Subscribe in your mind, tell us, yeah, and subscribe to the channel. No problem with that. You see me, blood? Yeah, my families. I tell you now. I have no problem at all. Let's subscribe. Because you're going now. We want to enjoy yourself and subscribe. And not say, boy, yeah. Although I help me build a thing. We really want the help. See? Really want a subscription. Because you can see so far me reach. These places are paid to take money. Take money. And if you never look for $50,000, I'm come here. From now there, $50,000, I look for done now. See? By eating food and spending and doing this and run, and when you have a job at your hand, $50,000 they're on the verge of finishing right now. You see me people? Yeah. So we give thanks. We give thanks to all of you, my people, towards this video. Yeah, we give thanks. And remember to just subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Share the channel. Like the video. And comments. And keep the video growing. Keep the channel growing. Okay, my beautiful people? Yeah, man. This is Jamaica Land 1965. Love you all, my people. Remember, but they are Negril. I'm over the end up to and over. You copy that? Yeah.